Well, the reality is that there are rules in different cultures. So for example, if you're trying to do a digital marketing campaign in China and Asia, there's other social media platforms in that market that are different from that nobody has heard about here in the US. When you're translating different campaigns and different things, you have to make sure that those messages resonate in different languages, otherwise you could really step in it. And for example, a lot of times they include email marketing as part of those digital campaigns. And if you're trying to do email marketing in Europe, Europe has ridiculously strict email privacy laws. And if you start doing email marketing, something as innocent as sending an email or an advertisement through that medium, and you violate some of those rules, you can get heavily fined, and in some cases you could even end up in jail.
Really?
And so,
in jail?
Right. And so you've got to really be careful. You know, you can't assume that a particular marketing initiative that worked in one country or in one region is going to work for another.